These plastic plants in a pot were at the op shop, $18.30, and I thought to myself, I can do better than that. I had this timber box that I'd found trash picking. I believe it's made from cedar. I went to Bunnings and I found these three pots. They were $1.98 each, which I think is bloody cheap. And I found tiny treasures, little plants, and these were $3.95 each. So, yeah, I had a bit of a plan. I painted the box with this mist tint, which was $2.61. I think I used maybe 20 cents worth. First coat, and the second coat. Came out all right. It's still drying in this. I had some potting mix that I'd found trash picking and potted the three little plants up. I'm not sure what sort of ferns they are, but they are delicate and very pretty. Ta-da! I think I might give the box a little bit of a sand just to give it that distressed look, and probably need some pebbles or something or other inside the box. I'm not quite sure about that. But well, I think this turned out pretty good. Your thoughts, please.